To set alarm clock on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, you have to open the clock application for the first. Now go for alarms, and what you can do, you can just use one of those presets, but of course you can create a multiple presets if you want. But let's use, for example, this one. By clicking on this switcher, you can quickly turn it on and off, and by tapping on it, you can customize. So you can set repeat, for example, let's get it in the Wednesday and the Friday, but you can also go forward and schedule, for example, on the 1st of June. Next, what you can do, we can change alarm name by using the keyboard. We can also change its sound, and we can even use this extension to get Spotify or YouTube songs. If you want to get normal sound, you can just go here, pick it up, and then you can just go back. You can also set a custom one by clicking here to open your sounds that you have on your phone. You can also turn on and off the vibrations, and you can even set some routines by using Google Assistant. Now, when you go back from this one, you can click to save. It was saved. And when you swipe to the left or the right side, you can quickly delete a specific alarm.